Hi guys, Crafty Crystal here. I'm going to show you how to make a regular ball of yarn into a self-feeding yarn, an internal feeding yarn. And you don't need a special machine. You don't need a rod or anything like that. You're going to just use your thumb. So what you do is you take the outside, the first piece of your yarn, make a loop because it just makes it easier to find it, notice it, handle it. You start out by going around your thumb and two fingers. You can do the thumb and a finger, but it keeps falling off. Thumb and two fingers makes it more stable. Go around about 10 times, okay? Just to get it started. Then on the same side that your loop is coming out of, put your thumb in there. And give it another 10 or 15 loose loops. From this time on, you're not going to move take your thumb away from here. Keep your thumb there and you just turn the yarn. You can do 4, 5, 10, however many loops you want to do, as long as you keep your thumb there. You don't move your thumb. I start loosely in the middle because it makes it easier to start the ball. After that, you can do it as tight as you want. And you keep that thumb in there. That thumb is your lifeline to the center of the hole. You don't take it out. You don't move it. Keep it right there. And you just keep going around. Now, before I started moving my thumb, keeping my thumb in there, every time it would get so big, I'd move it to another spot because I felt like it was getting it out of whack. But it isn't really, not if you do it this way. And as you keep your thumb in there, it will compress the part that's sticking up highest so you don't end up with a very tall, strange looking ball. Pull it over to the side. Don't want it to get wrapped in there. That's all you do. Round and around and around. You keep your thumb in the middle. And you don't lose track of the center of your ball with your little string that goes down into it. Supposedly I used a small partial skein of yarn here. Looks like I got a ways to go. But anyway, that's the idea. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. That's your pull skein. And you made it yourself. All it takes is your thumb sticking in the ball. And don't take your thumb out, just make the ball around it. You make that size ball. You make that size ball. That's a plarn ball. Doesn't make a difference. So give it a shot. It's kind of nice to have pull skeins when you want them as you make them. Okay? Bye-bye. Happy hooking.